Today we're exploring the design, performance, and features of the Hisense 85-inch Class QLED 4K to see who it's really for. The Hisense CanvasTV is a premium television that boasts an impressive array of features, including its art mode, 4K QLED display, HIMAT display, ultra-slim wall mount, and choice of frame. With a rating of 4.3 out of 5 based on 29 reviews, it's clear that this TV has garnered significant attention from consumers. One of the standout features of the Hisense CanvasTV is its art mode, which allows users to show off their personal style when not watching TV. This feature is particularly appealing for those who appreciate art and want to create a unique viewing experience in their home. Additionally, the 4K QLED display provides an exceptional viewing experience with rich color and detail, making it ideal for both casual viewers and film enthusiasts. The CanvasTV's design and build quality are also noteworthy. The TV features an ultra-slim wall mount that allows for easy installation and a sleek, modern aesthetic. The magnetic frame is another convenient feature that enables users to easily switch between different frame styles, from teak to white or walnut. In terms of display quality, the Hisense CanvasTV delivers impressive results. The HIMAT display reduces glare, ensuring an optimal viewing experience regardless of ambient lighting conditions. This feature is particularly beneficial for those who enjoy watching TV in well-lit rooms or with family members who may not appreciate screen glare. When it comes to performance and everyday use, the Hisense CanvasTV performs admirably. The TV's quantum dot technology ensures vibrant colors and crisp details, making it suitable for a wide range of viewing activities. However, some users have reported minor issues with motion blur and input lag, which can be mitigated by adjusting settings or using certain gaming modes. Connectivity options are also robust, with multiple HDMI ports, USB ports, and built-in Wi-Fi for seamless streaming and connectivity. The TV's smart features, such as Hisense's proprietary App Store, provide easy access to a variety of streaming services and entertainment apps. One of the main advantages of the Hisense CanvasTV is its ability to sense ambient light and adjust brightness accordingly. This feature not only conserves energy but also enhances the viewing experience by reducing eye strain. However, some users may find this feature too sensitive or distracting at times. On the downside, the TV's high price point may be a deterrent for many consumers. Additionally, while the CanvasTV is generally well-performing, it does have some limitations, such as limited HDR support and a relatively short refresh rate. In conclusion, the Hisense 85-inch Class QLED 4K is an excellent choice for those seeking a premium viewing experience with advanced features and impressive design. While its high price may be a concern, the TV's numerous benefits and robust performance make it suitable for both home entertainment enthusiasts and those looking to upgrade their living room. You can check the latest price and availability using the links in the description.